So it's been a little while since I've updated everybody or done another vlog. So took some time today to get this done and upload a video just to stay consistent somewhat. Right. Been doing a lot, I'm working on 2 different certificates at the moment, bouncing back and forth. Don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but it's keeping me highly busy. Plus my work schedule has gotten a lot heavier. So this is just a taste of what I've been up to the last couple weeks. And, I feel like we're finally getting somewhere. Excited to make this portfolio page. It's going to look good. It's going to help me get further in the future. I've been working with my GitHub a lot more. I'm trying to stay active on there, so I get all the little green ticks on there. I want that. But here's a taste of what I've been doing the last few weeks. All right. So we made the city skyline, which was using variables. Turned out pretty cool looking. I didn't know I could do all that. I like how it looks. This is working variables with CSS. We made this magazine, and it's about Free Code Camp and things that are coming to Free Code Camp. How they want to be project based and stuff. I'm not sure if this is completely updated because it seems like they're already doing a lot of this stuff, but it's got different links, pictures, forming it. That was a lot. I didn't realize there was so much that goes in to just doing this. Like, it looks so simple, yet that required a lot of effort. Started learning animations through CSS and made this Ferris wheel and how things move and changing colors. We worked on like transform. We use linear gradients, animation counts, border radius, things like that. Pretty cool what you can do. I like that. We made the penguin, and this was about linear gradients, degrees, forming divs to make them circular, putting them into places. I feel like with this one, I learned a lot about placement within the page using CSS. And also when you click him, it gets bigger. Pretty cool. Anti-waves. And next we have the final thing, and this will get me the certificate for responsive web design. And what I'm going to do is make a portfolio. Now, I'm really excited about this because I've been wanting to do this, because a portfolio is, for a self-taught dev, is, like, from what I understand, one of the most important things about getting a job, because since we don't have degrees or education to put on our resume, we show them our portfolio of things we did. So I feel like this is going to get me started, which is a test. Once I complete it, I'll get the cert. I hope to continue to use it to actually build my portfolio, to put on my resume, to share with recruiters and companies so they can see what I've learned, what I can do. I'm really excited about this part. I've also begun the Coursera Python automation certificate, which is the scholarship I got. I'm on the 3rd week. I thought I knew something about Python, and I do a little bit, but this is very difficult. I've been kind of struggling with it. There's a lot of math involved, and I'm learning I'm not awesome at math, but I'm not horrible either. But it has been a little difficult. So if you made it this far, I appreciate it. Hit like, hit subscribe, keep following me, keep encouraging me, because it becomes difficult, and I really, really appreciate the support, because some days I wonder, like, am I even getting anywhere? Am I wasting my time sitting at this computer desk trying to learn all this crazy stuff by myself, just following YouTube videos and the internet and Reddit? So genuinely, like, I really appreciate it. And if you made it this far, hit like, subscribe, keep following me for more.